Bubble chart in Tableau, they are a really great way in order to add a lot of dimensions and measures in one single view. So bubble charts are like circles, and we can define a lot of stuff in the circle, like the colors, the size, we can put inside it a text. So let's have an example. We're gonna start with the marks, so instead of automatic, let's go and switch it to circles since the bubbles are circles. So let's start with the first information. We're gonna go and get the measure sales and let's put it on the size. So with that, we got our first small bubble or circle. Let me switch it to entire view. So now we have one information, the total sales inside our data. Let's add another information like a dimension. So let's go and add the subcategories inside our view. So I'm gonna take this dimension and let's put it on the details. So now as you can see, we got more bubbles and we're gonna get a bubble for each subcategory now. Alright, so now let's keep adding more informations to our bubbles. Let's say that I would like to add the coloring for the bubble, and this should come from another measure. Let's take the profits and let's put it to the colors. So now with that, we got different colors depends on the values from the profit. And now how about to add one more informations inside those bubbles? Let's say the category. So let's go and get the dimension category, and now let's put it on the labels. So now we can see the category of each bubble of each subcategory. So now as you can see, we have four different informations that we have inside our bubble. The first one is the colors of the bubbles indicates the profits, and then the size of the bubbles show us the sales informations, and then the number of those bubbles are decided from the subcategory. So we have all those subcategories inside our data, and finally the text inside the bubble comes from the category. So this is the power of the bubble chart, where you find a lot of informations in one view. Okay, so now we have another fun one called stacked bubble charts. So here we're gonna add a lot of dimensions in the details. So let's see how we can build that. Let's go to automatic as usual, then switch it to circles. Let's take the sum of sales and put it on the size. We are just creating again our bubbles, and this time we're gonna go and get the country and let's put it to the colors. So far we have those four colors for four countries. So now if we bring any dimensions to the details, it's gonna split these bubbles to more small bubbles, and that's depend on the cardinality of the dimension. For example, let's take the category. It has very small cardinality, and with that we will get just few bubbles. So if we go and remove it, let's take the subcategory. And now as you can see, we are getting way more bubbles than the category, and that's because we have more data inside the subcategory. And now let's go with higher cardinality. So let's just remove the subcategories and let's get, for example, the product name. So once you do it, you will get a lot of small bubbles and they are all stacked together. And of course you can go and sort the bubbles differently. If you go to the country over here, right click on it and let's go to sorts. Let me just move it to the left side a little bit, and if you change the sort, as you can see, the color is going to change as well. So here you can go and sort the bubble as you want. And now of course we can go with more details if we take the lowest level of details, the order ID. So let's drop the product name away and let's go and get the order ID. And with that, Tableau can ask us, do you really want all of those data? Yes. Add all members, and now you will get for each order a small bubble inside our visualizations. Okay, so this is another way on how to represent your data in visuals using the stacked bubble chart. But if you look at it, you will find it's look like the Sauron eye. Alright, so that's all for the stacked bubble charts.